Have you been struggling with YouTube views? Well, I have a solution for you that you can apply right now. And it's a free webinar by Matpar that you're going to be able to take today in order to kickstart your YouTube channel. So let's dive into action right now. So what I'm going to do with you guys today is that I'm going to share my screen to show you exactly what the webinar is about, and you're going to see that you can take it right away in order to kickstart your YouTube channel. But before we get into that, I invite you to please subscribe to my channel and give me some likes, give me some comments, because I reply to all my comments because I love having your comments. It really gives me energy to keep going and post more videos out there. So let's share my screen right now with you, and I'm going to show you exactly what this webinar is about. So here we are here in the Matpar page. So it's the exact page that you have to go in order to have your free webinar. I'm going to put the link below. So if you click today, you're going to see that you can have your free training today. So here's the page. So you're going to have all the information. So you can just start your YouTube channel without any experience or technical skill. And so what you're going to see in that free training is you're going to see the new way of how to go on YouTube without recording any videos, and he's going to show you how to choose your niche and generate a lot of videos really quickly, and how to just go around the YouTube algorithm and grow super quickly. So if you want to join this free webinar right now, you just click here, reserve my seat, and I just want to show you how easy it is. If you select the date, today we're Friday 18th of December 2020, so you could have your free training today, like 8:45 is in 5 minutes for me. So you can choose your time. So whatever day you're ready for this training, just jump into it, and you're going to be really surprised of how many information you can find in that training. So you'll be learning as well how Matpar has been able to build 9 different YouTube channels that builds his income of $30,000 a month. So you better just take that free training and follow the steps, and you could be as successful as Matpar. So that's the training that you want to take if you need some help with your YouTube channel. So guys, if you want to have that free webinar, just click on the link below. You're going to join as soon as you're ready. As you saw, you have many different options every day if you want to join. And please, if you like that video, subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell so you get notification when I go online. You can also give me some likes, give me some comments. I reply to all my comments because I love them. So I hope that you got great value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a really good day. Ciao.